Good morning, I'm Lucano. You're watching Mundobitcoin with the pre-market analysis for today, the 17th of December 2013. You're watching the daily chart. Yesterday, pre-market session, we saw and we exposed the two different hypotheses in order to take advantage of any possible opportunities if one of those two hypotheses obviously generates the opportunities. It didn't happen. Actually, one of them happened, which was the retracement. The correction is still happening. There is not much to tell apart from the fact that this particular long range candlestick is sending a very powerful message, and it's actually saying that the correction might not finish just yet. We see a failure on this higher low, which technically here we have a lower high. And it is important to see that if this particular pattern continues, this is the daily pattern, it hasn't finished yet. We have to see probably more corrections coming, more corrections on its way. The next target for this particular pattern could be this area, and after that it might be a second and last area that it can be part of it, which is this one right now. It's not the best. There you go. This particular area could be something that it could be the last part of this movement to stop. Maybe, maybe not. It's always a possibility. The market is unpredictable and we're not sure 100%, but we can't say that we don't have the tools to analyze the possibilities. And in terms of what it concerns to all of us today, there is important to know that right now we might see counter trends coming, but because the volume is not coming together with the movements that we see, we might find ourselves trapped into a particular counter trend. So be wise, be careful. If you're gonna go in the market, try to take advantage of the small time frames, maybe 5 minutes, maybe 15 minutes. Don't go into 60 minutes because you might get trapped and you end up being in a sideways trend. That's not very nice because you end up waiting for too long for the price to go up or down, or at least to get out on break even. Right now, 240-minute chart, after a powerful sell-off, everybody saw it yesterday night. This particular sell-off went under the SMA 200. Powerful, and right now we see a B formation that is consolidating right now in this particular area. If the price absorbs this entire area, we might be able to penetrate a little bit more, and that will be the bottom tail of this particular area. And I think that will be it for the price to finish its downtrend, and the next potential lower high might fail and pushes the price once again up, and we might see the price using the SMA 200 as a main target to change directions, and why not see potential new higher lows in order to push the price back on track. And that will be the potential patterns, the potential higher lows in daily that we are waiting for. And why not a potential higher low in the weekly chart, which it will help us to confirm with the three major time frames the opportunity that we're looking for in order to see the price once again back on track to reach 1,242. If not, we still need to reevaluate possibilities, and we just have to wait and see if this particular pattern comes back again and push the price down. If not, we take advantage on counter trends in the small time frames. Otherwise, just sit in your hands, wait for the opportunities. And last but not least, this is the 60-minute chart. We are under the SMA 200. The price is trying to deny this particular lower high. We'll see what happens. At this point, waiting for this particular pattern to see if it's any results in this manner. I'm Lucano. You're watching Mundobitcoin. Have a great day trading. See you around. Goodbye.